Ali here with H&H Cycles. Today we have this beautiful 2019 Yamaha VMAX with just around 1,700 miles. 1,700 miles only. Yes, sir. Another one. It's another one. One owner, pristine condition. Look at this black beauty. 1,693 miles to be exact on this thing. Oil change done to it. Completely bone stock, unabused, unmolested. Comes with 2 sets of keys. That one, this one, and the code. Good set of tires on it. I'd like to pinpoint one flaw that this bike has. It's on this exhaust cover right here. It's just by sitting around in a garage, nothing major. That's about it. Literally, that's about it. Time to ride this VMAX. 1693. Let's hear it. Yeah. Healthy motor. Sounds as it should. Shifts as it should. Stock exhaust, of course, quiet. You can still make it louder. Clean motor. Again, 1,700 miles, which is nothing for this bike. Barely broken in. This cruiser is on steroids, honestly. And for more details, yes, visit us at h&hcycles.com, and thank you for watching.